welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss the best shower gel bottle mockup design in Photoshop. So please watch this video till the end. After knowing its full features, you can then decide whether to choose this mockup design for your brand or not. You can download the PSD file and edit it. The download link is given in the description. Here are some of its features you should know. Shower gel bottle mockup. These mockups will help your designs to get a realistic look and presentation of your design. Features: for photorealistic mockup, fully editable, high resolution, easy to use, mockup easy changeable background color. Instructions: open PSD mockup, double click on the smart object layer, paste your design, save and close.